Set your password for your file in Excel. First of all, you have to save your file. Click on File menu, choose Save, and choose your preferred location. In my case, I will choose Documents and write your file name here and choose Tools and then General option and choose your password here and hit OK. Re-enter your password here and again your password. Your first password is for open your file and second password is your modified password. Re-enter your password for your confirmation and your modified password is re-enter here. Now your password is successfully set. Now you simply click on save button. Now this file is password protected. Now we will check it by close over here. You have to open again your file and now open your file from file menu. Now open and your recent file over here. You can choose your file from here. You can see here the password will prompt here. You have to enter your old password. I have entered my incorrect password, so that file will not be open. Now I will try again. File and open my file and my password is here. Now I am entering my correct password and also my modified password is enter over here and my file has been opened. Thanks for watching.